May reporting in philosophy. Aristotle, history. Si Aristotle ay isang Griyegong pilosopo, isa siyang mag-aaral ni Platon at ang guro ni dakilang Alexander. Kasama ni Plato, itinuturing siya na pinakama-impluwensyang pilosopo sa kaisipan ng kanluranin. Nagsulat siya ng mga maraming aklat sa physics, panulaan, zoology, lohika, pamahalaan at biology. Pinanganak siya noong 384 BC sa Stagira, Greece. Namatay siya noong 322 BC sa Euboea Island, Greece. Nagkaroon siya ng apo na ang pangalan ay Demaratus. Naimpluwensyahan si Aristotle ni Plato, Socrates, Pythagoras, Democritus, Hippocrates, Epicurus, Heraclitus, mga anak. Nagkaanak si Aristotle na ang pangalan ay Pythias at Nicomachus. Edukasyon, Platonic Academy. Aristotle philosophy of self, once contracted in terms of homophilisim, in which the soul of a human being is the form of the structure of the human body or human matter. In other words, the functional organization in virtue of which human beings are able to perform their characteristics activities of life, including growth. Aristotle metaphysics, he calls it first philosophy and defines it as the disciplines that studies being as being. In other words, in his metaphysics, he claims that there must be a separate and unchanging being that is the source of all other beings. Second philosopher, Confucius, history. Confucius history. Si Confucius history o yung o kung tawagin kay yung Q ay isang Chinong guro, panugot, politiko at pilosopo ng panahong tagsibol at taglagas sa kasaysayan ng China. Pinanganak siya sa Kupong Jining, China. Nagkaroon siya ng mga anak na ang pangalan ay Kong Li at Kong Rao. Nagkaroon siya ng apo na ang pangalan ay Zizi at apo sa tuhod na ang pangalan ay Kong Bai. Namatay siya noon sa Luzon, China. Nilibing siya sa lugar na Cemetery of Confucius, Jining, China. Confucianism philosophy is one of the most influential religious philosophies in the history of China, and it has existed for over 2,500 years. It is concerned with inner virtue, morality, and respect for the community and its values. The main idea of Confucianism is the importance of having a good moral character, which can then affect the world around the person through the idea of cosmic harmony. If the emperor of moral perfection, his rule will be peaceful and benevolent. Confucianism philosophy in simple terms. Confucianism is a philosophy based on mutual respect, peace, and stability in society. If it was founded before the birth of Confucius during Zhou Dynasty, developed through his later life, and was made popular soon after during the Han Dynasty. Yun lang po ang dalawang philosopher na aking na-research at ito ang aking report. My name is Zach Zyron L. De La Torre, AS11A, ngayong September 18, 2023. Bye-bye.